Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, where on October 24th and 25th, 2025, Richmond Auctions will be selling about 100 special vehicles, many of them at no reserve. One of them is this 1917 Waterloo Boy tractor. If you ever wondered what a Waterloo Boy is, well, the Waterloo Gasoline Engine Company of Waterloo, Iowa is where the name comes from, and the Waterloo Boy was a gas-powered water pump that they decided to name the tractor after. We can see Waterloo Boy, and these were run by kerosene. A two-cylinder massive engine, horizontal two-cylinder, powers the rear wheels on these, and chain drive or chain steering on these things, steel wheels. And this is the epitome, or the very beginning, the genesis right here of the John Deere company, which bought Waterloo in 1918. So 1917, the very first if you will, John Deere tractor based on the Waterloo Boy. So any tractor collector knows what this is. It's a really hot, rare bird of a tractor, and bid strong. It's a really pristinely restored vehicle, and again, bid strong. It's one of a kind.